Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel and selamat datang di Study with Nova. Tereng. Welcome in Study with Nova. Okay, so today it is like another question. Start with the program you wrote exercise 6.1 person maybe. Make true dictionary representing different people and store all true dictionary in a list called people. Look through your list of people. As you look through the list, print average you know about each person. So, 1 persons is what do you mean? Oh, identity. It's like identity disease, and then you just add two others. But this is people, and this you just add identity 2 persons. Just add this is like this, but you must add identities 1, and then this is the identity 2, and then the third is identity 3. So the first name is maybe like Amin, and then Moni, and then Tanti, and then Sydney maybe, and then Kala, and as life in Jakarta maybe. This is you have three Jakarta, three dictionary. Aduh. And store all three dictionary in a list called people. I think I want a list because this species and using peoples in a list. Identity 1 only, and then identity 2, and then identity 3. Then look through your list of people. As you look through the list, print everything you know about each person. How to solve. So how to solve this? Well, this is just like people and what you expect to output is all of the identity. So how to print this? So I think from print F, and then my name is what this is people, and then first name, I'm sorry, first using first name, and then the people. Is it true? And people, yeah, and then last name. That's right. Okay, so is it true? Then no. Okay, then you must have name, age, you just add this is people and then age, years old, and then the third one is um live in, and people because this is, and then in city I think it's good. Nee, why age is not defined, sorry. Age, name, age, live. But if you wanna add um just add t. This is step maybe, or n, yeah. Let's try n. I think n. Yeah. Name, live. Is it food? Ya oke lah ya. Then try to control S, don't forget control S, and then git status, git add, git commit min and what is people, people in list, and then git push. Okay, then let's try another question. Bye.